The term plant-based diet is used to describe a diet based on plant foods only. This includes fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, and seeds. This diet can be quite restrictive, where the only foods consumed are the foods listed. The diet is often called vegetarian, vegan, or a plant-based diet. The terms vegetarian and vegan are often used interchangeably, but they actually mean different things. A vegan diet is a strict one where only vegan foods are eaten, while a vegetarian diet can be a little less restrictive and may include some animal foods such as eggs, dairy products, or honey. Vegetarians are therefore often considered vegans as well. Eating a plant-based diet will benefit you more than just your health. It will also benefit the environment. You must be flexible and change your eating habits as you go. If you have a favorite restaurant that serves meat, you should try eating there once a week. If you have a favorite bakery that offers pastries and cookies, you may want to try eating one of those foods every day. This will give your body time to adjust to the diet. As you transition to a plant-based diet, you may find that you can begin to add more foods from your favorite food groups. You don't want to overwhelm yourself by trying to eat foods you dislike. You will find that you will enjoy more foods that you didn't enjoy before you started. There are many books that you can read to learn more about the health benefits of a plant-based diet. You can also browse our online directory of plant-based products. There are also many online resources that can help you learn more about this topic.